Howdy folks, and welcome back to Pool School. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to never have to buy another leaf rake or leaf net for your pool again. So what do you say we dive right in? Alrighty, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like this video if you do, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool. Also, don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. Once again, poolschooler.com. It's full of more exclusive members-only content that will help you not only save more money servicing your pool yourself, but also take some of the guesswork out of servicing your pool yourself. Alrighty folks, so here it is. This is the 24-inch Pro Tough medium fine mesh pool skimmer net. Now, it's 24-inch, and I like the larger nets. I used to have one called a Gator, and I've talked about that one before. But I was doing a search because I needed to replace my net because I had somebody fill in for my pools one week, and he ran over my net and kind of bent it up really bad. So I was looking for a new one. I was like, I'm gonna look for the old one. You know, this one, the one that's similar to this Pro Tough was one called a Red Baron. So I looked it up online, found this one on Amazon, made by Pro Tough Products, and I was kind of stunned by what I saw. Similar price. I spent about $50-something for that Gator net, even my wholesale on it. So this one was similar in price, but here's the cool thing. This has, and I'm going to turn this around really quick and show it to you. If you notice, the first thing that you see is the Total Freedom Warranty over there on the right on that badge thing, okay? If you look at the first check mark there, it says lifetime, no gotchas, free replacement guarantee. Just ask us, we'll replace it absolutely free. Now, the one disclaimer I'm going to say on this is if you are a pool service professional and you're using this for commercial purposes, they will replace it at a 50% of the original cost. So that's still pretty darn good given that this is about $50-something, and that's what I pay for a typical wholesale good net. You can still get it for half off, but if you're a regular pool owner, a residential pool owner, this thing, they will replace it absolutely free, no questions asked. I'm gonna flip this over here, and I'm gonna show you the details of it. And you can read this online. I'll put a link in my description below this video so you can see it, and know that it's an Amazon affiliates link, which means I do get a small percentage of the sale price of it. But this is the good thing, our Total Freedom Warranty. I'm going to read it out to you. No fancy legal speak here, just simple, no questions asked warranty. If you have purchased any Pro Tough Products item for personal use, commercial users see below, more on that in a minute, you are eligible for our lifetime unconditional warranty, okay? Pro Tough products are always built to withstand whatever abuse you may throw at them, so we're confident that you will be happy with your purchase for many years. However, if your Pro Tough product item breaks, fails, tears, rips, or otherwise fails to meet your expectations, ever, all capitals, simply notify us of your dissatisfaction. We will immediately send you a replacement part, replacement item, or full refund of your original purchase price, no shipping or processing charges, no extra cost, ... ever. Now, just look at the bottom here. It says, commercial users. If you purchase a Pro Tough Products item for commercial use, you have a 60-day, no questions asked, full refund policy. If you're not happy for any reason, we'll refund the purchase price within 60 days of your original order date. As a commercial user, purchase unlimited, no questions asked replacement parts or items at 50% discount. So if you're a commercial user, they will give you the product at 50% off if you need to replace it or anything. But anyway, that is one heck of a good warranty. So I wanted to show that to you because leaf nets or leaf rakes like this one are not cheap, and a lot of people, you know, they hang them on a hook outside in their yard, and they get in the sun, and then they deteriorate fast. So this company, at least for the time of this video being produced and released on Amazon, this company, as long as they're in business, lifetime warranty. Lifetime replacement warranty. That's kind of hard to beat. So I wanted to share that with you so you could take advantage of that. So I'm going to put a link in the description below this video to this product, and according to that warranty, it says any of the Pro Tough product line. So I know that they have a 19-inch or an 18-inch net as well. I like the bigger 24-inch nets because it's got a wider mouth and it picks up more debris. I also noticed the mesh on this product is a lot stiffer. which I like, which means it's probably gonna hold up better. This mesh on the net, and it's got a nice big pouch so that it'll hold a lot of debris. So I honestly don't think I will ever buy another pool net except for this one, as long as this company is still in business. So I wanted to share that with you. And again, buy that one if you're a residential pool owner, and you'll never have to buy another pool net again. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below this video. Or if you'd like, you can email me directly. My email address will come across the bottom of the screen. Once again, as always, it is kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. And until we meet again, remember, even though swim season is over, have fun, be safe, and always watch those kids and elderly folk and pets around water. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.